Hello, Aslam alekum. This is my YouTube channel, Computer Technology. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Start a new chapter. Chapter number 1, Introduction to Computer. Computer. A computer is an electronic device operating under the control of instruction stored in its own memory that can accept data input, process the data according to specified rules, produce information output, and store the information for future use. Functionalities of a computer. Any digital computer carries out 5 functions in gross terms: takes data as input, stores the data instruction in its memory and uses them when required, processes the data and converts it into useful information, generates the output, controls all above 4 steps. Functionalities of a computer: processing data information. Computer components: hardware and software. Hardware. Computer hardware is the collection of physical elements, tangible objects that constitutes a computer system, the actual machinery, wires, transistors, and circuits, etc. Hardware. Number 1, monitor. Number 2, modem. Number 3, system unit. Number 4, mouse. Number 5, speaker. Number 6, printer. Number 7, keyboards. Softwares. Computer programs, instruction, and data. Thank you.